back to the channel, you guys. Today I'm working on a 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs. Bienvenidos al canal de nuevo. Ahora estoy trabajando en 2015 Chevy Traverse. Voy a estar cambiando las bujías. You need to remove the oil cap before you can remove this cover. Necesitas quitar la tapadera de aceite para que puedas quitar este cover. Te levanta, just pick it up. That's it. Y es todo. Let's put the oil cap back. Poner el cover para atrás, la tapadera de aceite. You want the refill in there. You could remove it just here, but I'm going to remove all this piece because I got to clean the throttle body. Nomás puedo quitar esta pieza de aquí, más que yo quita toda la pieza, porque estoy limpiar el cuerpo de aceleración. So, desconecté esta manguera nomás. I just disconnect it from here. I'm going to pop it from here. Moverlo para acá y me da suficiente espacio para quitar el manifold. I'm going to leave this piece on because I don't want to twist it so much because I know plastic is brittle, especially in cars, and I don't want to break it. Voy a dejar este pedazo adentro. No lo quiero quitar ahorita porque se puede quebrar como plástico, es frágil en los carros. So I'll probably take it off when I'm over there. And remember to disconnect this connection. Acuérdate de desconectar esta conexión. And go remove the cables. Okay, I feel like they could come off now. Throttle body got to be disconnected. Fortunately, cuerpo de aceleración está desconectarse. Por acá. Se jala este para atrás, el rojito. Se pucha este y push this, and that's it. Throttle body disconnected. I'm gonna give it a clean. You guys can see it's dirty. Voy a limpiarlo una vez que estoy aquí, que está sucio. And I'm gonna remove the intake manifold. Ahorita voy a quitar la araña, como se dice. These are going to be 1/2 inch. Esto va a ser de media. This is a 10mm, este es un 10. Let's start taking out the coils, the ignition coils. I'm gonna loosen it. There you go. That was broken loose. That was broken loose. And this is broken loose. Es un 10. Estoy quebrando los flojos. Breaking them loose. Very cool. There you go. These are the first 3 in front. Now, let me unplug these. That one's unplugged. Select this one. Oh, the bolt came off. Nice. That's a good sign. And there goes the spark plug. Our number 1 spark. I'm going to be using a 5/8, o estás usando un 5/8 to take out the spark plugs. Beautiful in there, nice and snug. Taking out my first spark plug. Well, they didn't look that bad to have 90,000 miles on them. Also, it looked like the tip's almost gone. I don't know if you guys can see the tip. Let me see if I can focus the camera. Casi la puntita está volando. These are the original spark plugs. Estos son los originales bujías. And let me get the new one. There's a huge difference, hay una gran diferencia. See, this is the new one. And this is the old one. Esta es la viejita y la nueva. That point is gone. Well, this is what's called maintenance. Esto por eso se llama mantenimiento. Con the new one on. The new spark plug, la nueva. at the 4 torque bolts, I didn't find any information online about the torque specs. So I just snugged them up, finger tighten all 4 bolts. After that, I start torquing the center ones and working myself outwards to the outer bolts. Aquí no encontré ni un papelero de torqueo en línea, so los apreté con la mano los 4 tornillos. Ya empecé a torquear los centros y cuando los centros ya estaban terminados ya empecé de afuera. Limpiar el throttle body es una 10, medida 10. Una vez que estoy aquí, I'm going to clean the throttle body as a 10mm since I'm already here. So the torque sequence is 18 foot-pounds. El torqueo va a ser 18 libras. No me podía dar O'Reilly el papelero, no sé por qué, más que encontré en línea, solo voy a poner a un lado de la pantalla ahí. O'Reilly didn't want to give me the torque sequence, I don't know why, but I found one on the forums and I'll put it on the screen.